Welcome. Today we are going to look at agriculture paper 1, questions and answers. Kindly subscribe. Section A, 30 marks. Answer all the questions in the section in the spaces provided. Give 4 reasons why green manure is not commonly used. Takes time to decompose since planting is delayed. Most of the nutrients are used by microorganisms. Uses most of the soil moisture, is leaving very little for the next crop. Most green crops are used as food crops. Question 2. State 4 conditions under which shifting cultivation is favorable. Communal landowner, large piece of land, sparse population, livestock per unit area is low. List 4 ways in which a farmer can adjust to risks and uncertainties. Contracting, insurance, input rationing, diversification. Question 4. State 3 ways in which trees improve soil fertility. Conserve moisture, improve soil structure, control soil erosion, source of plant nutrients. Question 5. Give 3 causes of heartburns in cultivation. Cultivating at the same level throughout, cultivating when wet, using heavy machinery. Question 6. Under what 2 conditions does opportunity cost not exist? Where there is no alternative choice, unlimited supply, when goods are supplied free. Question 7. Give 2 roles of additives in silage making. To increase carbohydrate supply for the proper fermentation, to increase nutrients value of silage, to increase the palatability of the silage. Question 8. Outline 4 advantages of mixed farming. The farmer gets income throughout the year. Animals obtain food from the crop residue. There is proper utilization of labor. The 2 enterprises act as insurance for the other in case one project fails. Question 9. State 4 physical agents of weathering in soil formation. Temperature, wind, water, moving ice. Question 10. Give 4 characteristics of large-scale farming. High level of capital investment, large piece of land, high labor, high production. Question 11. State 4 farming practices which help to improve soil structure. Plowing at the correct moisture content, crop rotation, addition of organic matter, cover cropping, mulching, addition of soil. Question 12. Give 4 effects of top dressing on a pasture. Increase herbage yield, improve nutritive value of crop, add soil nutrients and ensure proper nutrient balance, correct both physical and chemical properties. Question 13. What are the 2 reasons for inoculating legume seeds before planting? To introduce nitrogen fixing bacteria to fix nitrogen for the plant, to promote nitrogen fixation prior to planting. Question 14. State 2 advantages of carrying out pruning in banana production. To attain high yields, improve on the quality of bananas, helps to count banana weevil, crop reaches bearing stage early. Question 15. In maize hybrid, what do the following figures stand for 6 and 4? First number 6 refers to the altitude in thousands of feet above sea level. Second 1 refers to the number of crosses. Third number, that is 4, refers to the number to the serial number. Question 16. Give 4 methods of land acquisition: buying, inheritance, settlement and resettlement, compensation. Question 17. Name 4 practices carried out to improve and maintain permanent pasture: weed control, top dressing with nitrogen, controlled grazing to avoid degeneration, cutting back dry and unpalatable stumps. Question 18. Give 2 advantages of tissue culture: the plantlets developed maintain parental characteristics, for example uniformity, disease-free plants are obtained, mass production of planting materials, high-yielding crop clones are produced. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Also let me know what video you want we look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.